Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen, and today I will make a simple meal using my Lechon Baboy. If you are curious about it, stay with me. Hello guys, so today I will prepare a simple salad, Lechon Baboy salad. So this is Lechon Baboy leftover. Okay, so and then I will cut in a cube, small pieces, and then I will heat it in the microwave for 1 minute. Okay, so there you go guys. Okay, so 1 minute start. Okay, so just 1 minute, and then I prepare a lettuce and purple cabbage. Just simple like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna use this cheddar cheese, mild cheddar. Okay, so 1 minute already. The lechon baboy is finished. It's hot enough, and then just put at the top in here. Okay, so just like that, put at the top the Lechon Baboy, and then I will add some cheddar cheese at the top. Okay, like this, and then this one, see, it's avocado. Okay, this avocado, we will put this one at the top. Okay, so guys, that's it. That's the avocado. I will cut little pieces also, little cubes. And then the last one is sour cream. We will put at the top sour cream. Okay, so check it out guys. Did you see that sour cream at the top? Yeah, that's a very simple salad. I used leftover Lechon Baboy, so looks yummy. So hello guys, thank you for watching the videos, and if you like my videos, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you next time.